Hey, I am Dr. Nathan Hosannah. I am a professor of engineering currently at LaGuardia Community College, and I do employ this beautiful, amazing quadruped, Petoi Bittle, to do a bunch of different things. That was something that I didn't even know that it could do. If I say Petoi, okay, the robot does something. So I have implemented this robotic animal in my courses, my engineering courses, Introduction to Engineering, as well as some outside of course projects. And the beautiful thing about the Petoi Bittle is that you can utilize different attachments or different sensors for different tasks. As an example, I have the voice command module that is attached there. The beauty of this device is that I give my students an open-ended problem. They then have to figure out how to solve that problem using the quadruped. And so I take them through the process of actually building the unit, right? Understanding the different limbs, the connections, right? The body, the board that they have as well, and how everything should be properly aligned in order to make the dog work. And now I think I said walk, so it begins to walk, right? So it will enable the students to understand these different components, these different limbs, the attachments, the work envelope, as well as programming the robot to perform a series of different tasks, right? Understanding also servo motion and limitation, and how you may implement all of these things in order to solve a task. One of the problems that I had students address was a search robot. And the search robot allows for students to find an object of a particular color, right, or a particular representative structure that the dog will look for, identify, and announce, right? And so my students really enjoy the Petoi robot. Stand up. Okay. Sit down. Sit. Okay. Okay, go to sleep. So the animal does everything except for wanting to fall asleep. And as I said, the beauty of it is that you can program new commands for the Petoi robot. I think that is really cool. We also use the Nybble, which is the cat version of this. And every semester, students come up with some new ideas. So we did the search robot. We also had students that worked in a factory to help with keeping things in order in the factory. We've had an open-ended problem where students used the quadruped to assist older folks, right? Or people with mobility issues. So in essence, this becomes a help animal, right? And I think that's really cool when the minds of the students interact with the technology of the Petoi Bittle to do some wonderful things. And I'm kind of just looking forward at the next possible things that we can do with the animal. Yeah.